How to fix TikTok video under review problem. Well, in order to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok, enter your login credential, and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this For You page. Now, move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Head over to Settings and Privacy. Once you're in here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then click on Report a Problem. Now in this page, tap on Search and then click on Other. Click on No. Once again click on Need More Help. So in this page, you have to state the issue that you have been facing on TikTok. You can simply write that I have a video and it's under review more than 1 day. Please help me fix this issue. So the TikTok has provided the information about it. In this case, what you want to do is, all you gotta wait for the Instagram to fix this issue by itself. Once the review is done, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix this issue. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.